G'day everyone, I just wanted to show you this little filter. The whole purpose of this filter is so that your map sensor doesn't get clogged up with soot and it gives correct readings. Now if this filter is cracked or dirty, it will give you false map sensor readings and then it'll give you incorrect fueling, which could be very detrimental to your engine. So to clean these out, you want to blow brake cleaner or some kind of solvent through the black end and out the grey end in the opposite direction of its flow. If this has any cracks, it's going to create an air leak and give false readings to the map sensor. If you're worried about this cracking or you've got an old one, you can either replace it with a factory unit, a plastic one once again, or you can go to PDI and get a stainless steel version. Now my engine bay is a little different because I've got an intercooler, but normally your map sensor, which is this sensor, this is your map sensor. It's just a 3-wire sensor somewhere near your intake, and then the map filter won't be far away from it. And as you can see, I replaced mine with a stainless steel unit. Alright, that's all from me. I just wanted to say I did this as a maintenance item in conjunction with another video I've done where I gave this car a birthday, so feel free to check out my channel, see that larger format video, consider subscribing, and hopefully I see you again.